Before we move forward in this video and show you the demonstrations of our various products, we thought it would be a good idea to give you a very close view of the products themselves and how you emplace them onto the firearm. So the first product we're going to start with is the rifle model button head buffer. And the first thing we're going to do is take out the existing GI buffer. So we're going to pull the rear takedown pin so that we can lift the upper receiver away from the lower. And then we're going to take the buffer out by pushing down on the buffer detent plunger and then bringing the buffer out of the buffer tube. We just depress the hammer and clear it away. And now we're going to switch into the rifle model button head buffer and see how that's emplaced. And that's all there is to that. Now, as we bring the upper receiver down onto the lower receiver, we recommend that you push the button head buffer back into the buffer tube with your finger and then merely close the upper onto the lower, and that's all there is to that procedure. So at this point we're going to change gears a little bit and show you dismounting the buffer. So once again we're going to push out the rear takedown pin so that we can open the upper, and then we're going to use a cartridge to push down the buffer detent plunger, which allows the buffer to come forward. We're going to press down the hammer, and at that point we can take it out of the firearm. So Tom, if you will put it back in again, we'll go through that one more time. That's it. Now it's locked in by the buffer detent plunger, and as we bring the lower down, or correction, the upper down onto the lower, we merely push back on the button head buffer slightly. The upper closes, cross pin, and that's all there is to it.